Hi guys, welcome to the channel again. So I have 35s on my tailgate on my Jeep. However, when I put on these 35s, it was still shaking. The door was like knocking each other. So what I did was I went on Amazon, bought one of these seal looking things with the 3M tape. So what I did was I put that all over my Jeep, all over the door seals. I put it all over it, and then on the tailgate itself, I did put another strip all over. Now, after doing this, trust me, after doing this, all the noise that this tailgate makes is gone. Absolutely gone. So this is how, after when you put it on, this is how you close it. So that's it. That's it, you know. So that's how you close it. That's how solid. No problems. Now, remember, I also make these PVC pipe things, and I put it on through these bomb stoppers. I'm running rough country tire relocation bracket on these 35s, and it's very, very stable, very firm too. So no issues or whatsoever with these, and doing great. Strong, no issues or whatsoever. So guys, check it out and try to get one of these seals. It will help eliminate all the noise, all the problems, and it will make this tailgate really firm once you put it on. So thanks for watching, and then if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Shoot me in the comment section, and also just hit the like button, and that would be great. I'll get back with you with more of these.